Maloilele, ko hoku hingoa ko Christine Paletu'a-Shimasaki. Pea o kuo whakaamu ke wahe halea ofa mo whakalotolahi ki a teki mo tolu he ahoni.
Hello, my name is Lorenzo Pule Finau-Cruz, and we're here today to offer you some words of love and encouragement.
Uluaki o ko whakamalo ki he otua I he ene whakaumai ki tautolu ki he ahoni. O ko loto ke whakaua te ofa ke whamili ko toape ki Tonga, api ko kolonga hau, api ko kofe, pea ki alele foki. Po o whalahi atu ki he malolo si e kui ko lesieli maata Paletu'a. In January, Tonga experienced a volcano eruption and a tsunami, and yet Tonga still stands. Now, Tonga is working to rebuild, and now fixing COVID-19. Our heart is with Tonga.
To the people of Homa and to the people of Tonga, growing up in the United States, I was disconnected from my language and my land, but my father kept me connected through stories of Tonga. And visiting 2 years ago, I found that it was more beautiful than anything he had ever described. So when I have heard of the recent tragedies that struck Tonga these last few months, my heart sank. But know that you are not alone. There are people like myself who have scattered throughout the world and who know where our home is, who know where our hearts lie. You are not alone. And to you, we send these offerings of prayers, voices, and love.
Koe maulotu ki he otua, ke tau ngawe whakataha I he ofa moi melino. Whakaua tue mau ofa ki he tui, moi kuini o Tonga, hou eiki, pale alea, kautaki lotu ko toape, pea ki he Tonga ko toape ki he ope.
Our prayers are that we work together in love and harmony. Our love to the King, Queen, Parliament, the church leaders, and Tongans all around the world.
Dua ofa eki atu.